Good evening. Welcome back to In the Khud. Welcome back to another day spent trying to figure out what is my purpose in life.
Bruh.
Why am I alive? Why does anything exist?
Bruh.
What is the nature of life?
Bruh.
How does death feel like? Meaning to say, just another regular work day. Let's just start with the documentation. Woke up at 6:30 today, took Snowy down. Beautiful. In fact, when I did wake up, I was feeling all sorts of soreness in the body because the workouts have been going real well. I hope that the consistency stays there and doesn't collapse like it has in like the previous 57 times I've tried to build my physique. That's that. But then I pushed forward because Snowy is a big motivation for me to just push, because of course I want to make sure he goes down, he poops and he eats and everything is fine with his life. Then I came back up, I watched the BCS GeoNodes UV unwrapping video. It looks very promising. If a set node group tool could help for all objects as perfect UV unwrap. It's kind of technical and not, I don't know, like I don't see a very direct application of the concepts in the advanced course as of now. I mean, at some point sure there will be. I might just be very quick to judge here. I anyways had to take the course because I love Arundel, his teaching style, and basically anything and everything to do with geometry nodes. So no regret as far as taking the course is concerned. I just feel like I might not be able to see a very direct application of the concepts in this course anytime soon. Then I followed one video. It was a lot of like, come on, do something, and before sleeping, because by the time it's 8:39, I'm like dozing off already. This is a problem, right? I get up at 6:30 and then by 9:30 I need to sleep. I don't know, my system has been tuned in this way now. I can't do anything about it. Kind of stuck. The sculpting course, I'm trying to get used to using the tablet to navigate around in Blender, and a bit difficult, but I'll get used to it. Preparing the base mesh taking some time, muscle memory. 14:07 resuming labs work, but first a status analysis. I think I can go ahead and show that because it's kind of crucial to stuff here. So here is how the situation is. I know there's a lot happening here, but 3620, 3629 is done, right? I did this too. Okay. So I basically did 2 lots today of 20 episodes logging, and I'm just like reaping the benefits of the time I spent making everything right and the auto hotkey scripts and everything, and now it's like very, very fast. So doing 20 episodes in the matter of time that I did just logging is good. I wouldn't say it's amazing. I would love if I could get 10 more episodes in, but then Thomas crept in as it often does. And so I stopped at 20 episodes. If you look at this situation here, I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 180 episodes. Now let's just remove this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, so even after removing those 90 episodes, total of 180 have to be done. 90 are done, but I have to log it. But these 90 I have to make and log. So this making I'm going to replace with just straight away logging. That's what the entire thing I've been working on. Quite a way to go, to put it easily. Then for the show 3 here, this much is done. But again, these 55 episodes have to be, or how many ever, 50, have to be logged, and then these up until 60 or so episodes have to be made and logged, which will directly log. Meaning to say, there is a lot of work that has to be done here, and the only time I get is the weekend, kinda. Maybe I'll try doing like a few episodes during the week as well, but primarily the weekend. So when this becomes the second pillar after the first pillar being the full-time job, how do I even get to the third pillar of making content and 3D and putting it out? So of course this week I'm not putting a 3D project out. I had thought about that geometry nodes beginner course, and I can make that scene and do it, but like literally I have no strength to do it right now and then put it tomorrow. So that's okay. Even tomorrow I'm gonna just basically stick to this and like call it off a week. We'll see if next week we can do something with 3D, and that's all I had to document today. I've been hooked to Kuch Na Kaho, again by Sanam. Find it where it is. Yep, Pyar Hua Chupke Se. Kuch Na Kaho Sanam, just look it up. It's a beautiful version. Love the rendition. Is that the word? I don't know. But yeah, that's it for today's documentation. I will quickly edit this now and go to the gym. That's one kind of eventful thing that's been happening in life, so going to the gym. It feels good, seeing people, in contrast to just going down to office, shutting the shutter down and being locked up even for that little time when I'm working out. Entire day I'm locked up in the khud. As much as I love it, it is still a prison for me in a lot of ways. So it feels good to actually go out. Then I go to the Gurdwara also while coming back. I feel a lot of fresh. So all in all, a very good decision to have taken the gym membership. We've had 6 minutes. Thanks so much for being in the crowd. I'll catch you tomorrow or maybe not, or directly on Monday now. Peace.